Have you ever played these games? What do you think is common between the two? There is a common rule in both the games, and that is that you have to pick up a piece from the pile without moving the others. What do you think? Is it easy? Not at all. And that's why the game is so much fun, isn't it? See this. What happens when a person tries to pick up a piece from the middle of the pile? The whole tower is falling down. It's collapsing, right? So what we have learnt is that if you move a piece other than that on the top in a pile, the whole structure moves and may collapse. If you pick up a piece which is on the top of the pile, then the structure will not collapse. But any other piece which is in the middle or in the bottom of the pile, if you move it, the whole structure will also move, and sometimes the structure may also be broken. It may fall down, right? The same thing we can learn from one more game. Do you know which one? Have you ever made a house of cards? I'm sure you must have. Then tell me, if I remove one of the cards from this house, then what will happen? The rest of the house will get broken. And look at this. Can you tell me which festival it is? Yes, this one is for Krishna Janmashtami. Here what are the boys doing? They are making a human tower as good as a pile. So, if one of the boys from the bottom or the middle moves, then what will happen? The whole tower will be broken, and then they will have to try again. So now, unless it is a part of game, you will not take anything which is in the middle or in the bottom of the pile. We will always pick up things which are on top of the piles, so that the rest of the pile is not broken, right? How easily you have understood this. Now look at this boy. He is Anil. He wants everything, whether it is in the top, in the middle, or in the bottom of the pile. His mother tries to explain him, tells him not to do it, but he just doesn't understand. So his mother takes him to the market and does a trick. And then finally, in the end, he realizes his mistake. We will learn more about Anil and his mother in the next video, where we will read chapter 5, I Want That One. Till then, happy learning!